malt that we're about to mill. It's a mixture of two-row and golden promise, but usually you would have some darker grains, so this stuff you'll have like reds and blacks. For like a stout would have a lot of black grain. So you see these little white specks? That's the inside of the husk, and that's called the endosperm, and that's what the water will make the sugar out of once it converts. We're gonna fill this with water, we're gonna dump the grain, it's gonna sit for an hour, and this is called a false bottom. And what that does is, once we let the grain sit in the water and convert to sugar, we can take the liquid out and leave all the grains behind. Pounds of grain, times 1.33. So this IPA we're doing 154 New England IPA, so it'll have a little bit of a sweetness left over, and because there's so many hops, you want to have a little bit of sweetness to balance it out. The problem is when I add the grain, which is room temperature, it's gonna cool down the water. So what I do is I go like 12 to 14 degrees higher, put the grain in, and then I'll keep the cooler open and stir it until I come down to my correct temperature. If you're low, there's nothing you can do at this point. So you always want to aim higher and then stir. Then we're gonna put the lid on, and it will stay in here for an hour, and because the cooler is insulated, it will stay right at 154.